Once you're past 60, it's normal to lose a little height. But here's the surprise. Most people don't realize you can actually get some of it back.
With the right movements, you can open your posture, decompress your spine, and yes, even stand noticeably taller.
Ready to reclaim the height you thought was gone for good?
Well, hello there, my friends. Welcome back to Senior Zone, the place where we're going to prove that getting older does not have to mean getting smaller. You know, it's perfectly normal to lose a little height after 60. You see it all the time with older celebrities who suddenly look a little shorter next to their co-stars than they used to. But here's the exciting part, and lean in close because I don't want you to miss this. A whole lot of that lost height, it's not gone forever. Much of it is hiding, just waiting for you to invite it back. And believe it or not, the science backs this up. Studies in journals like Spine and JOSPT show that we can improve disc height, posture, and spinal alignment even later in life. Today, in the next few minutes, we're going to show you exactly how to stand taller again. Sometimes half an inch, sometimes a full inch, even more, using nothing more than a few gentle, feel-good movements you can do right in your living room. No fancy gym, no expensive gadgets, no nonsense. And the best part, you're going to feel the difference the very first day. More energy, better balance, and that wonderful feeling of, well, there's my old posture again. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, pull up a chair for a moment, and let's get you standing tall like it's 1965 all over again. Friends, just about everybody loses a little height as the years roll on. Some folks half an inch, some an inch, and a few of us, raising my hand here, have misplaced 2 inches, somewhere between the Eisenhower administration and now. But here's what doctors didn't usually tell us back then. Your bones are not shrinking. What's really happening is 3 simple things, and they're all reversible to some degree. Disc compression, the great flattening. Those wonderful little cushions between your vertebrae, the discs, are like sponges. Over time, they dehydrate, flatten, and lose a little height. Studies in the journal Spine show disc height can decrease by 20 to 30% with age. But good news, discs can rehydrate through movement. Just like a dry sponge can soak up water again, so can your spine. Postural muscle fatigue. The muscles that hold us tall, especially the upper back and shoulder stabilizers, get a little sleepy with age. When they nap, we round forward, let our head drift ahead of our body and slowly fold downward. The Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found weak scapular and hip stabilizers directly correlate with height loss. This is fixable, quickly, with strengthening. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, how much height do you think you've lost? Half an inch? 1? 2? Drop your number below, because later on, I'll tell you exactly what your number means at the end. Gravity never takes a day off. 60, 70, 80 years of being pulled downward creates tightness through the front of the body, and the whole frame shifts forward. But studies from the University of Sydney show gentle daily mobility can reduce spinal stiffness up to 24%. Movement is the antidote to gravity. Here's a fun fact. Every single morning, you wake up about half an inch taller than when you went to bed. This is confirmed in the Journal of Applied Physiology. While you slept, gravity rested your discs, soaked up fluid, your spine decompressed naturally. If you can grow half an inch lying in bed, imagine what you can do when you move with purpose. Real people, real results. Even at 70, 80, and beyond. I've seen it with my own eyes. Mary from Ohio gained 1.5 inches at 78. Bill in Florida stood 2 inches taller at 82, and his golf buddies thought he bought new shoes. Dorothy, age 86, said, "I can reach the good cookies again without the grabber." Research from the University of Waterloo backs this up. Posture retraining can restore measurable height. This isn't about growing new bones. It's about rehydrating, realigning, and retraining your beautiful body to stand the way it was designed. Tall, proud, and full of life. Your Stand Tall Again circuit. You only need 8 to 10 minutes a day. Pick 3 to start, then work up to all 6. Number 1, Wall Angels, the posture miracle. Stand with your back to a wall. Slide your arms like you're making snow angels. This exercise is backed by clinical biomechanics for improving scapular stability and posture. Do 10 slow reps. Number 2, cat-cow, the spine wake-up call. On all fours or seated, arch and round the spine. The European Spine Journal shows this movement improves disc hydration. 8 to 12 slow cycles. Number 3, external shoulder rotations, the hunch buster. Hold your elbows at 90 degrees, rotate outward slowly. The Journal of Shoulder and Elbow Research shows this exercise strengthens the exact muscles that prevent hunching. 12 to 15 controlled reps. Number 4, Y raises, the upper back magic button. Lift your arms into a Y shape, thumbs up. The Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research shows lower trap activation reduces upper back rounding. 8 to 12 reps. Number 5, clamshells, because your hips run the show. Lie on your side, knees bent. Open the top knee like a clamshell. The Journal of Orthopedic Science confirms hip stability improves spinal alignment. 12 to 15 reps per side. Number 6, gentle cobra. Open the front door of your body. Lift your chest gently off the ground. A review in Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation confirms extension movements improve posture and reduce kyphosis. 20 to 30 seconds. Bonus, get yourself to water. Swimming, or even gentle walking in the pool, reduces spinal load by up to 75%, according to ACE research. Water is nature's anti-gravity machine. How soon will you notice? Most folks say, I felt taller the very first day. Less stiffness within a week. Friends asking, have you grown? In about 3 to 6 weeks. Consistency is the magic. What your height number really means. Half an inch lost? Mostly posture. Improvement comes fast. 1 inch lost. Discs need hydration. You'll notice big changes quickly. More than an inch? Years of compression. But posture and daily movement still work wonders. Your number is not a sentence, it's a starting line. Closing. Stand tall again, my friends. Every inch you've lost is proof of a life full of hard work, love, dancing, laughing, and living. Now it's time to give a little of that height back to yourself. Start with just 1 or 2 of these movements today, and come tell me in the comments which one made you feel the tallest. This is Senior Zone reminding you, the best is never behind you. It's waiting right out in front of you, one tall, proud step at a time. See you next time, friends, and keep reaching for the stars. You're a lot closer than you think.